great smile from the beautiful Veracruz. I want to show you the Mayan calendar. Today is to KABAN, the day of the knowledge. In it too, we have preparation, partner, and help. And let's think about how many times do we ask for help to the beings, to the ends, to whatever entities we trust. KABAN invites us to have all the knowledge that the earth has to offer. And when we practice every day, we transform this knowledge in wisdom. And in this trecena, with keep, let's ask for the forgiveness. Let's use all this wisdom to just let go all guilty and hard feelings, to just walk so light.
Si esto es para ti, ¿por qué no le preguntas a tu corazón?